Hi everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today, we're going to talk about a very important topic, the early signs of prostate cancer. We're going to cover why early detection is so crucial and how recognizing these signs early on can make a world of difference. It's natural to feel a little uneasy discussing these matters, but trust me, knowledge is power. So let's break down the stigma, get informed, and take charge of our health together. One of the earliest and most common signs of potential prostate issues is a change in your urinary habits, specifically an increase in frequency. This isn't just about having to go more often during the day, it can also mean waking up multiple times at night to use the bathroom. This condition, known as nocturia, can severely disrupt your sleep patterns and leave you feeling exhausted the next day. Now, we've all had those days where we're running to the bathroom more often, maybe due to stress or too much coffee. It's normal to experience this occasionally. However, if you notice that this is becoming a regular occurrence, it might be time to pay closer attention. Stress and dietary choices can certainly play a role, but they are often temporary factors. But if you consistently find yourself needing to urinate more frequently, especially at night, it's definitely a red flag. Nocturia can be more than just an inconvenience. It can be a sign of underlying health issues that need to be addressed. Frequent interruptions to your sleep can lead to chronic fatigue, irritability, and even impact your overall mental health. This frequent urination, known as nocturia, can be particularly bothersome at night, interrupting your sleep and affecting your quality of life. Imagine waking up multiple times, struggling to fall back asleep, and then facing the day feeling drained. Over time, this can take a toll on your physical health, leading to issues like high blood pressure and weakened immune function. Remember guys, brushing off these changes as just getting older isn't the answer. It's easy to dismiss frequent urination as a normal part of aging, but doing so can prevent you from catching more serious conditions early. Prostate health is crucial, and early detection of issues can make a significant difference in treatment outcomes. It's always best to err on the side of caution and get checked out by a healthcare professional. Regular checkups can help identify any potential problems before they become more serious. Don't wait until the symptoms worsen. Taking proactive steps towards your health can ensure a better quality of life and peace of mind. Have you ever felt like you're waiting an eternity for the flow to start when you go to the bathroom? This hesitation, this difficulty in starting urination, is another potential early sign of prostate problems. You might notice that your urine stream feels weaker than usual, almost like it's struggling to come out. This weak stream can be frustrating and even embarrassing, leading some men to avoid social situations or delay bathroom breaks. But remember guys, ignoring these symptoms won't make them go away. It's crucial to address them head-on and seek medical advice to determine the underlying cause. Chapter 3. Now, imagine this. You're at the urinal, and just when you think you're finished, your urine flow starts and stops unexpectedly. This interruption, this inconsistency in your urine stream, is another telltale sign that something might be amiss with your prostate. It's like your body is trying to send you a signal saying, hey, something's not quite right down there. Ignoring these signals can have consequences down the line. So guys, if you're experiencing a weak or interrupted flow of urine, don't just assume it's a plumbing issue. Make an appointment with your doctor to get checked out. Chapter 4. Now this next sign is a serious one, guys, and it requires immediate attention. We're talking about something that can be alarming and should never be ignored. If you ever notice blood in your urine, also known as hematuria, it can be quite shocking. This isn't something that should be brushed off or taken lightly. Blood in the urine can be a sign of various underlying health issues, ranging from infections to more serious conditions like kidney stones or even bladder cancer. Similarly, if you find blood in your semen, known as hemospermia, it can be equally concerning. This can be a symptom of infections, inflammation, or other medical conditions that need prompt evaluation. Don't wait, don't hesitate, seek medical advice right away. The sooner you get it checked out, the better. Early intervention can make a significant difference in outcomes. Seeing blood where it doesn't belong is never normal, and it's crucial to determine the underlying cause as soon as possible. Ignoring these signs can lead to complications that are far more difficult to treat. A healthcare professional will likely run a series of tests to identify the root cause. This could include urine tests, blood tests, or imaging studies. The goal is to pinpoint the exact issue so that appropriate treatment can be administered. While it's important not to jump to conclusions and assume the worst, it's equally important not to dismiss these symptoms. Blood in the urine or semen can be a sign of several conditions, including prostate cancer, urinary tract infections, or other serious health issues. Blood in the urine or semen can be a sign of several conditions, including prostate cancer. Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers in men, and early detection is crucial for successful treatment. Other conditions that might cause these symptoms include infections, inflammations, or even trauma. Early detection is key when it comes to successful treatment. The earlier a condition is diagnosed, the more effective the treatment options are likely to be. This can significantly improve the prognosis and quality of life, so don't delay seeking medical attention. If you notice blood in your urine or semen, make an appointment with your healthcare provider as soon as possible. Your health is too important to ignore these warning signs. Chapter 5. Our bodies have amazing ways of communicating with us, often through subtle signs and symptoms. These signs can be our body's way of alerting us to something that needs attention. It's crucial to be aware of these signals and understand what they might mean. Ignoring them can lead to more serious health issues down the line. Persistent discomfort or pain in the pelvic area is one such sign that shouldn't be ignored. This type of pain can be indicative of various underlying conditions, ranging from minor issues to more serious health concerns. It's essential to recognize that this discomfort is not normal and should be addressed promptly. This discomfort might feel like a dull ache or a persistent pressure in your lower abdomen, groin, or even your lower back. It can vary in intensity and duration, sometimes coming and going, or it might be a constant presence. The pain can also radiate to other areas, making it difficult to pinpoint the exact source. It's important to remember that pain is subjective, and what might feel like mild discomfort to one person could be quite bothersome to another. Everyone's pain threshold is different, and the way we experience pain can be influenced by various factors, including our emotional state and overall health. The key here is to listen to your body and pay attention to any persistent pain or discomfort you experience. Keeping a pain diary can be helpful, noting when the pain occurs, its intensity, and any other symptoms that accompany it. This information can be valuable when discussing your symptoms with a healthcare professional. Don't try to tough it out or dismiss it as something minor. Ignoring persistent pain can lead to worsening conditions and more complicated treatments. It's better to address the issue early on and seek appropriate medical advice. It's always best to err on the side of caution and consult with a healthcare professional to determine the underlying cause. Early diagnosis and treatment can make a significant difference in managing and resolving the issue, ensuring you maintain your overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching. We've covered a lot of ground today, discussing 5 early signs of prostate cancer that you should never ignore. Remember, guys, knowledge is power when it comes to our health. By being proactive and aware of these potential warning signs, we can catch any issues early on when treatment is most effective. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more informative health tips. And as always, stay healthy.